If you want to download and install SQLite, the first thing you need to do is visit the official website of SQLite. Visit sqlite.org, then visit the download section. After you have reached the download page, find precompiled binaries for Windows, then download the zip archive containing the SQLite tools. The option will most likely be the last one in the list. The two options above let you download standalone DLL files. Once you have downloaded the archive, extract it. Once you have extracted the files, you will see three different utilities: SQLdiff, SQLite3, and SQLite3 Analyzer. SQLdiff displays the differences in content between multiple SQLite databases. The differences are displayed in a file. The Analyzer uses a virtual table to obtain information about a database file and then provide that information in a formatted manner. Now that you have figured out what the utilities are, move these utilities into the SQLite3 folder in Program Files or other memorable directory on your hard drive. After your executables are safe, you need to set up environment variables to affect the way SQLite3 will behave in your Windows ecosystem. Open the environment variables pop-up through the control panel, then click on the environment variables option. Add an environment variable for SQLite3 by giving it a name and selecting the SQLite3 executable residing in the Program Files directory. The last thing you need to do is add a location of SQLite3 to a path variable so that you will be able to launch SQLite3 through the command prompt. For that, find the path variable underneath System Variables, then click Edit. After doing that, click New and add a location towards the folder with all of the SQLite3 executables. You have now successfully set up SQLite3 and can interact with it using the command prompt. Make sure to subscribe to this channel to see more tutorials, and until next time.